The beef is tossed with Chinese condiments and my delicious homemade Schezwan sauce to make this amazing Schezwan beef. This recipe is hands down one of my favorite Indo-Chinese recipes. My son loves this recipe. In fact, I have to make batches of this and send it to university every week for him to enjoy. This is made using my Schezwan sauce. A few weeks ago, I published that video. You can make your own Schezwan sauce at home and then you have it on hand to make a ton of other dishes. It imparts so much flavor. Before I start this recipe, please make sure you subscribe to my channel and make sure to ring that bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. Now let's get cooking. I have 2 pounds of beef here. This is an inside roast and I'm just going to slice it thinly. If you need really thin slices, it's a good idea to partially freeze your beef, but I'm not looking for super thin slices here, so slicing against the grain with a sharp knife is working really well. This is now all sliced and ready, so I'm going to give this a quick marinade. I'm first going to add 1 tablespoon of light soya sauce. I'm going to follow this with 1 tablespoon of Shaoxing Wine, and I'm also going to add some freshly cracked pepper. Next, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Baking soda in the marinade is going to help tenderize this beef. To hold the marinade together, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. I'm just going to mix everything together and leave it aside for 30 minutes. I'm going to get a few tablespoons of oil into my super hot wok. I'm going to add 1/4 cup of diced white onion, 1/4 cup of spring onions, and 1/4 cup of minced garlic, and I'm going to saute it. Add 1/2 cup of julienne of green peppers. I'm now going to remove everything and keep it aside. I want to maximize the space in my wok, but also I don't want to burn these onions and garlic, and I don't want to overcook the peppers. Add a little bit more oil, and I'm now going to cook all of this beef in batches. The wok that I use for videos is small, so I will cook it in 2 batches. I'll brown it on one side, and when it's ready, I'm going to flip it over onto the other side. Once done, just keep this aside. I'm now going to work on the second batch. This batch is now done. I'm going to add the rest of the beef back into the wok together with the onion, the garlic, and the peppers. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of Shaoxing Wine and 2 tablespoons of light soya sauce. And now for the pièce de résistance. I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of this incredible Schezwan sauce. I make this at home and I use it in many recipes. I'm going to leave a link to this amazing Schezwan sauce at the end of this video as well as in the description. If you can't make this yourself, you can also buy pre-made Schezwan sauce. I'm going to allow this to coat the beef in its spicy goodness. I'm going to cook it for a minute and then it's ready to serve. Enjoy! Thank you so much for joining me on Cravings Food Adventures. I hope you enjoyed this delicious recipe for Schezwan beef. It is one of the staples now in my household. It's so easy to put together once you have made your Schezwan sauce. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, guys, and also ring that bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. And if you love my videos, don't be selfish. Share them with your family and friends so they can enjoy all of these great recipes as well. And leave me a comment below so I know what you think. Also follow me behind the scenes on all of my social channels. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and Twitter. I started a new handle on Instagram. You can follow me there at Cravings Food Adventures. Until I see you next time, do take care. Bye.